YouTube. It's Dwight Williams TV back again with another reaction video for all here. But anyway, I have another reaction video for y'all, and before we get onto this video, y'all know what to do. Subscribe, like, and road to what? 1,800 subscribers. That's right, you feel me? Created a love, a couple subscribers away from 1,800 subscribers. So you don't know, the grind don't stop. So we're about to react to Diana. Now I'm saying Blizzard is the name of the song, and she's another person that I love reacting to. She's awesome, dope. You see, she's on a talent level of her own. Some people haven't seen, so go check out her, because her talent level is like one like no other have ever seen. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's get ready for this reaction. This reaction here is brought to you by Dwight Williams TV. Subscribe. Alright, let's get ready for this reaction. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? You? Are you ready? You? Are you ready? You? Are you ready? Okay, in 3, 2, 1. I'm excited to see how she's gonna perform here. In front of all these people and the judges, with the blizzards coming down the screen. I'm sure her intro is gonna be like how she's gonna step into that. Okay, to the how she coming. Damn. Those are already like it. Wow. Nice. Different. She's doing her thing, y'all. Wow. The drums are too, they just like stare down like, wow, amazed. Look at them. And she put emphasis, she put like energy into that performance, you know. She always does that. I should have an apron. Kind of just like. All 4 judges agreed. This was fantastic. Give you this video like if you enjoyed this performance and you agree to that she deserves all 4 of those the judges' agreement by smashing the like button. See the face right here? I'll cuff your ass if you don't. I'm just kidding. Smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. She's still going strong, y'all. After the judges are agreed that she's gonna make it. Really, y'all. Awesome video by Dana. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And see y'all in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this reaction. More for coming to my channel, Dwight Williams TV. Don't forget about road to 1,800 subscribers, y'all. Let's get it.